Hey everyone, I wanted to show you guys my Kabocha squash. It's a Japanese pumpkin, and this is actually one plant from one seed. It's huge, way bigger than I was expecting. Normally, these Kabocha squash only produce about 4 pumpkins, but I have 16 different pumpkins here, which is pretty surprising. I have been hand pollinating them, which has helped. Here you can see some right over here. There's one, here's one, and then they're kind of scattered all throughout the plant. You can see some more. One over here. That one's pretty big. You can see some. Hopefully you can see some more right over here. Wait. In a couple weeks I should be able to harvest. It takes, I believe, 50 days from once it forms to when you pick it. The neat thing is that I'm still getting flowers, so I was going to show you how I've been pollinating them. This is a male flower right here. I just break off the end like that, and then I go looking for a female flower. There's actually, for these plants, there's going to be a ton of male flowers. You see there's one, here's one. Sometimes, and also, don't be discouraged if you only have male flowers first. That is pretty common. You can see right here, this is a new one forming, a new pumpkin. And then over here, I saw a female flower. Okay, this is a perfect area. You can see the difference between the male flower and the female. So for a pumpkin, the male, you don't see the beginning of the fruit. It's just a straight stem. And then here you see the bump, and that means it's a female, and the inside looks different. That's what the inside looks like. Next I tear the male flower apart. And then this is going to be hard to see, but I just add the pollen inside the female flower. And there you go, now the pollen is added. So here's my secrets on how to have such a huge Japanese pumpkin plant, which would work with pumpkins, of course. So I actually water this 3 times a day, but I live somewhere dry and windy. And also I have mulch all along here, and I think that's actually helped a ton, having the mulch. You can see right now I need to water again. But every time I water, it pops back to life. Another thing is I have been adding fertilizer and also eggshells. I've been putting that under the mulch, and that has helped, and I have used a fish fertilizer too. So this area seems like it's growing really well, and this is actually not part of my garden. I wasn't planning on gardening here, but this kind of came up, and so I started watering it. So I did decide to plant a cucumber, and that's been looking really good. There's no female flowers yet, but hopefully soon for the cucumber. And then I just planted some French melons. It's like a French cantaloupe. I don't see here in America, but we'll see how that goes. Well, have you ever planted a Kabocha squash? Please write it down in the comment section, and also if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.